Hi, my name's Aloysius Hayes. This week we meet some new friends from Melbourne, played with them and check out our hair and beauty. Some students from Our Lady of Zion College in Melbourne spent the day with us. Aboriginal artist Ruth Cook held some art workshops.
Hi there, my name is Beth Amos. I'm a teacher at Our Lady of Zion College in Melbourne. So we're currently on a trip at the moment in Central Australia with a group of students from Our Lady of Zion College. We have been focusing on really experiencing the Indigenous culture as opposed to just coming here for a holiday.
Speak Creole. I want to share a word in my language. Gurui means good.
So a focus is really wanting to get to know Indigenous culture, and by doing that we've come to visit. So we've come to visit Yirara College today to really understand what it's like to be at a school here in Alice Springs and how it's different from our school back in Melbourne also. We're visiting multiple locations across the Northern Territory. We're only going to be here for about 8 days. So our first stop is Alice Springs, the next stop is Kings Canyon, and then we are going to Uluru. So I feel like they're the iconic places that we would want to visit to get a feel for what the Northern Territory is about.
Hi, my name is Monique Turner. I go to Our Lady of Zion College in Box Hill. I'm in art class at the moment, and I was able to sit next to America and Tara, and while we're doing some of our own paintings or dot paintings, I got to have a really good conversation with both of them and really find out what it's like for them living here. They actually are boarders here, so their families are up in Broome, and they were telling me that I think America said she's had 5 sisters and 5 brothers, and that was quite amazing for me to comprehend the big families they have, and then she had stepsisters on top of that. So I really liked finding out more about their families and what subjects they do here at school.
So as a teacher, I've found myself really blown away by the culture that it is like here at Yirara College. There's a real strong community feel here, and that's something that we also experience at our school.
Before we left Melbourne to come here, I had a bit of a preconceived idea of what it would be like in Central Australia. We had some activities beforehand learning about what the culture would be like here and what it would be like to go to school here. And I think stepping off the plane and into the airport, it really made you feel what we were learning about, not just talk about it. And coming to the school today, it's been a really good community feel, and I think all of us feel very welcome here, so that's really good. And I'm really looking forward to the week we have ahead and finding out more and experiencing more about the culture and the Indigenous people.
Hi, I'm Abby Wisdom. I'm a Year 10 student. I've really enjoyed my time here at the college, and I'm really looking forward to seeing more of the beautiful outback and hearing more stories.
So I know that even though we've only been here for a short time, we've already had such a positive experience here, and we are really looking forward to potentially coming back here with another group of students that would have just the best time also.
Last term, some of the ladies studied hair and beauty. They started by learning how to look after their nails in the Yirara salon. Then traveled into town and visit the Doubletree by Hilton salon.
It'll be a lot brighter. So I only want you to do one arm.
laboratory, they learned how to make face masks and body scrub out of everyday household ingredients. This helped them learn more about our health and well-being. We are always looking towards our future and interested in trying new things. The other week we went into town to see STEM in action. Let's have a look.
Hello, my name's Renee Waro. I'm the Director for Education and Engagement for a company called Life Journey, and we have a platform which is called the Day of STEM. A STEM means science, technology, engineering and maths, and it's a virtual mentoring platform, so it provides these champions online for students to see what the jobs of the future are all about. We're here at Alice Springs at Centralian Senior School. It's a collaborative project with the Northern Territory Department of Education to introduce STEM careers of the future to a number of schools in Alice Springs. As we all know, the world is changing very rapidly and there are all these new jobs, new terms, new technologies, and why we're here today is to try and give an insight to students of what might be out there that they might be interested in.
And even play soccer like a pro. Do you want more technical details? You know to avoid walking.
Good morning.
Good morning.
To inspire many students about the Day of STEM platform and all of the activities that are happening here in robotics, in holograms, in drones, etc., to inspire them into careers that they can do for the NT. And we hope to be back next year again back in Alice, but also to visit other parts of the Northern Territory to keep on inspiring those students and teachers about the new careers of the future.
That's Yirara TV for this week. Be sure to follow our Facebook page, as so much happens every week. It won't fit in a bulletin. Bye.